Hello Single, welcome back to my channel. Do you know what I'm dressed up as today? That's right, I'm dressed up as a parrot, and I would like to tell you a few lines on it. So let's get started. Hey, I'm Parrot, the most beautiful and intelligent bird. You can find us in various colors like red, orange, yellow, blue, white, and green like me. You can keep us at your home where we live as family members. We are also known as talking birds because of our ability to mimic sounds and also learn to talk. We eat fruits, nuts, grains, seeds, vegetables, and boiled rice. Our favorite fruit is guava, and our favorite vegetable are chilies. We have strong beaks that help us to eat fruits and nuts by breaking the hard shells. We are not only found in India, but also in various other countries. There are different variants of parrots all around the world. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.